In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the project boards in the Agile schema in DevOps Plan. You can get to project boards by clicking the project boards icon from the sidebar. There are 4 distinct categories of boards: work items, release, sprint, and sprint backlog. My board is a personalized board for the logged in user. In the Work Items board, you can view all the work items listed based on the states, such as submitted, backlog, active, resolved, etc. Work items can be searched by entering the ID and title. You can also filter work items by projects, releases, sprints, type, and owner. There are other filter criteria like recently modified, recently closed, and recently opened. The filters can be configured in the query.json file. You can customize your view by clicking the settings icon on the right side of the screen. You can choose the columns to be displayed on the board by selecting or deselecting the checkboxes. By clicking on the arrow on the top right corner of each lane, you can collapse or expand them, tailoring your view to focus on what matters most. You can reorder lanes according to your priority by dragging and dropping them. Cards move smoothly between lanes, allowing you to see updates in real time. This functionality not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures that your project board mirrors the evolving progress of the project. The cards can also be reordered within the same lane based on the priority of the record. Navigate to the Release tab to access a comprehensive overview of release-related information. This board displays data that includes the release name, start date, end date, and a curated list of associated work items, providing a holistic understanding of your project timeline. It's your one-stop hub for gaining insights into the release dynamics. There are also other features like search functionality and robust filters. These tools empower you to navigate through the release data with precision, ensuring that you have the flexibility and control needed to manage your project effectively. The Sprint board provides an overview of the sprints in the current release. Each column represents a sprint. Each sprint provides the key information such as the sprint name, total number of work items, start and end date of the sprint, and a list of work items in the sprint. For enhanced control, should any work item from a previous sprint remain open, you'll have the option to close all the open records, move all the open records, or edit the sprint. The Close All Open Records option effortlessly ties up loose ends by closing all open records associated with the previous sprint. By moving all open records, you can choose to relocate all open records either back to the backlog or to other sprints. The Edit Sprint option allows you to edit sprint information like start and end date or the sprint name. The Sprint Backlog takes you to the backlog records. You can see the list of all the records in the backlog lane. You can create a new sprint by clicking the Create New Sprint button. Additionally, you can search and filter the backlog records. The described feature is consistent across various business processes. However, the specific names of states and fields may vary depending on the type of records involved in the schema. The schema we've demonstrated here is the Agile schema. This concludes the overview of the Project Boards feature in DevOps Plan.